Welcome to Grover Load. I'm Anthony, and I got a couple more items from Ubiquiti. So I got the USB plug. So this kind of monitors your internet, and you can set it up to automatically reboot the modem when internet goes out, which has been extremely helpful. I set this up at a friend's house. They run a business out of. They use a T-Mobile G5 modem, and it works great. But what I really like is this U6 mesh. And this is what I need because I got a little solar project going on here, and I hope to get that recorded here pretty soon. It's just got to stop snowing, stop raining, stop being cold. But I took a G4 camera, G4 Instant, and I hooked that up to a solar microcontroller with a battery and then a solar panel connected to it, and it's been powered on for a couple weeks now. Works great. The only problem is that it has a weak signal of Wi-Fi, so here we are. And these just got back in stock, so it's normally Ubiquiti. They do a pretty good job here boxing stuff up. They got the top there, and this thing, I have to say, it's a lot smaller than what I thought. When they always compare it to a soda can, I always think, no, it's got to be a little bit bigger. No, it's like that. I guess it just slides off. Good thing I had the hands underneath of it there. They had a little piece on there, so it's I don't know if you can hear that. It's it's something, but you can see in there. This is my first time having one of these, so the bottom pops off, and then you can see the Ethernet. So power over Ethernet there. You got the bottom. This goes back on. Six. So it's a heavy device. It seems like it's a, I don't know. It's not metal. Um, it's something. It does come with a PoE. Not something I need for this project, but it's something. It's interesting. It comes with another little thing in there, QR code for install, and then you have the box here, mounting mechanisms. So you have this to zip tie. I have thought about expanding my little solar project, and I'll get into that more, to use it with maybe something like this, and we can I can then put Wi-Fi throughout my property. I have 5 acres I kind of want to cover, so I was thinking about doing little solar installs here and there. Mount one to a shed, mount one to the kids' swing set area. It's a swing set and it also has Wi-Fi type thing, but you got bottom pieces here that you can swap out to however you want to mount this thing, because it can be mounted in many different scenarios. And then there you have the plug in there. I'm just going to leave that in there because I'm not going to use it. I got all my switches are PoE that this would be connected to at this time. And if I'm going to put it outside on a solar setup, I'm probably going to have like a flex switch that does PoE and then do like a PoE injector to power that, because then I'd like to add some more cameras on it. But this is a quick little install of this, or unboxing of this guy. Quite impressive. Um, a little impressive device, but let's take a quick look at the plug here if you're curious. Download the operator guide right there. And so, and garbage is going all over the place here. Gotta clean that all up. But, I mean, the packet, simple little foam on top, plug, done, then plug in. And then you just, I believe this uses Bluetooth to adopt. So there you have your backside plug, and then you have your button here, and that's it. So it can monitor. I think my current, I have a network powered switch, outlet switch, that might be able to do it. It's been unreliable to really fully reboot reliably when the modem needs to be rebooted. So this is another thing to do it. And the reason why I like this is that, let's say there's not internet, it will do the rebooting. I've tested this out at a friend's. I know it's going to reboot. So Uh, this is one benefit. So if I add, this in between, it's not going to be a big deal. But at least I can make sure, let's say my internet goes out, I can still connect back into home. I have different items set up that I need access to when I'm not at home. So this would be able to do that. So here it is. I got the little Unify U6 mesh, and then I got the plug, and so it'll be fun to little set these up, and hopefully I can get a review of all this stuff done. I'm starting to get through all my reviews. I'm starting to get it all stacked up. It just takes a little time to edit, so I do appreciate you guys going through and helping support this channel. It does help out, and it helps grow the channel, which I appreciate it, and it helps me make sure I stay on top of things to get these reviews done that have been stacking up for months on end. So I think there'll be one probably coming out while I'm recording this. This will be released later than that, but hopefully that is something that we'll keep on top of and bring you guys some more content too. Leave in the comments if you want to see anything with these, anything tested. I do have an LR, U6 LR. I got some U6 Pros. So they're covering my house. It's a ranch. It's not that big, but this is to start going outside and start covering areas that need coverage where the indoor ones can't reach because they're indoors, and they're everything they have to go through it takes a little bit to actually get to. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking the time to help support this channel and helping it grow. If you're watching it, please like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon, all that fun YouTube stuff. And until next time, God bless.